if you leave the hair tie on show, you're not finished. You may as well go back to bed. Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I'm going to be doing a festive hairstyle for you guys. I'm actually going to be wearing it out tonight, so I'm going to a Thanksgiving dinner tonight, which if you're from the UK, you might be like, huh? Because we obviously don't do Thanksgiving, but it's with an American brand, and I guess they're just trying to keep tradition and share their tradition with me. So I'm really excited to go. I'm thankful to be celebrating that holiday, and for me it's really kicking off the festive season. It's like the first sort of festive party that I'm going to, so I want to bring some sparkle, make it a little bit glam, make it a bit Christmassy. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning a hair care bundle every single day leading up to the 12th of December, from the 1st of December, then you need to head over to the All Things Hair UK Instagram page, and that's where you will find all of the information about those daily giveaways. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you want to keep seeing my videos, because YouTube doesn't like, I mean, you've all heard it before, YouTube doesn't like notifying you unless you hit the bell, so you've got to make sure you do that. Also get me on Instagram, where I am chatting to you guys all day. Also check out my brand. I have hair accessories now, and yeah, let's just jump in. I'm probably going to do a voiceover though, you guys, because I don't have much time and I need to rush, and I know you guys don't like me rambling anyway, which I already am. Let's go. Some people leave their hair decisions until the last minute, on the day of their event, in which case they might end up looking like this. But if you're watching this video, I imagine you're probably more like me and you plan your hair way in advance, at the same time that you pick out your outfit, because everybody knows your hair is just as important as the outfit itself. And I was inspired by Amber Gill, our queen from Love Island, who was styled by Michelle Sultan. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, first of all, start off with wet hair. I didn't mention that part, but it was kind of obvious. Then you need to section the top part of your hair off, and the most important part here is to make sure that the sections are clean and even and central, okay? And then get rid of the rest of your hair, get that away. I'm tying that into a headgie, which is from my brand, is so useful. So then you're going to want to split that top section into two, and these are basically going to be like your reindeer antlers. See, I feel like Rudolph. I don't, but you know, festive. So then you're just going to want to brush that out, make sure there's no tangles in it, and you're going to want to cornrow. And honestly, if you guys don't know how to cornrow, then this video is not going to be the best video to teach you how to cornrow. This video is actually very short, and there was not enough time, I don't think, to teach you how to cornrow. It's basically an inverted braid. You bring pieces of hair into the braid every time you make a braid movement. Oh my gosh, that was a really bad explanation. Okay, watch this. So every time that I take a piece of hair under and into the braid, I bring a piece of hair in with it. Just watch that again. Watch it 10 more times. Slow it down, speed it up, rewind it, do whatever you need to do to learn how to do this. And honestly, practice makes perfect. I can do this with my eyes closed. I could do this hands wrapped around my back. I couldn't, but you know what I'm saying, like, practice is what makes perfect. And I definitely needed to go back in and do that first side again, because that first side is lacking. You need to make sure that these are tight, and you need to make sure that these start really close to your head. You see that first one? It wasn't starting close to my head, so I had to go back and redo it and make sure it was tight, and just make sure that the braid is starting really close to my forehead, because it's going to make a difference when we add the ribbon. So then I tie them off with a tiny hair elastic. These have come in so useful this year. I didn't use them before this year, but now I'm loving them. So now you have these two cornrows. You can go and get the rest of your hair down and brush it out, get it wet again. If it's dried out, get it wet again. And then take your products. This is the Tresemme Air Dry Curl Cream. So this helps to add moisture, and it just helps to define my curls, keep them soft and silky. That I also went in with the Tresemme Curl Conditioning Mousse, and this just makes sure that my hair is not going to go frizzy throughout the night, because my hair has enough moisture to keep it happy, to keep it satiated. It doesn't need to be seeking moisture from the outside air, so it stays in the style that I set it in. I feel like I'm playing with a snowball right now, keeping it festive, you guys. Then I'm going to use this VO5 Invisible Hair Oil. It's called Invisible, but it does add a good amount of shine to my hair. So I go ahead and I run all of those through my hair and brush it through to make sure that every single piece of my hair is covered. The next step is really easy. You're going to brush all of your hair back. You're going to keep it sleek. You're gonna keep it stylish. This really just means making sure that your hair has got no tangles in it and that every single piece of your hair has been slicked back. This does mean that you're not really going to be able to wear your hair in a different style after this, because your hair is going to stay stretched out at the front until you wash your hair again, because I get some questions about that sometimes. So go ahead and tie up your hair. You may have to do this a few times. I honestly had to tie up my hair like 3 or 4 times because I didn't want to have any kinks and stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that it looks perfect when you tie it up, and I'm just using a regular hair tie to do that. And then the next step is really simple. I'm taking this Toni & Guy flyaway taming wand, and I'm going to go ahead and tame down my flyaways. You guys can see it. It just works a treat, works a delight, gets me looking super sleek. Next step, before you finish tidying everything up. So the next step is to add a festive ribbon. You can take red, gold. I decided to go with silver because it matches my outfit, but whatever color you use, you're going to want to make a criss-cross pattern. I just feel as though criss-cross pattern is very festive. It's very common in Scandinavian patterns. Santa Claus is obviously very closely related to Scandinavian culture, so we see a lot of crisscrosses at Christmas time, and obviously Christmas, crisscross. You see what I'm doing here? And just bear in mind, this does get very fiddly. If you feel like this is difficult, don't feel alone. I found this difficult. I found this very difficult, and I had to take this ribbon out and I started to use a different ribbon. And yes, you may have to do this a few times, so just make sure that you leave yourself enough time to do this when you're getting ready. I ended up finishing up with my edges, and I also wrapped a piece of hair around the hair tie just to clean everything up and get everything looking polished and finished. If you leave the hair tie on show, you're not finished. You may as well go back to bed. You need to wrap a piece of hair around your hair tie. That's the only way to finish up a ponytail look, okay? So then you're done. You're done. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm ready to go. And I went out like this. My hair stayed sleek like this. My hair stayed long looking, because these products, I used a lot of them. It meant that my hair was really weighed down. It made it look longer. I had a lot of compliments on my hair this night. So if you guys want to try out this hairstyle, then let me know in the comment section. I really want to see you guys try this out. So also tag me in your posts on Instagram. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's actually quite a bit shorter than my usual videos, but I hope that you like that style anyway. And just a little reminder, if you're not already subscribed, then please subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Summertime.